Good morning! My name is Rachel, for those of you who do not know me, which is every single one of you because I have virtually not existed online. My two babies went off to school without me and now I don't know who I am anymore. And I had an existential crisis and now I'm here and I decided that I am a content creator because I'm already making things like this, and also this. And I think that I could make some really fun content for people to watch. Do I have the skills for everything? No, I don't. I don't have the skills for everything, but do I think I do? And that answer is certainly a yes. So I think you should join me along on the ride as I army call my way through and hack my way into crafts that I have virtually no skill set for.
But like, sometimes I'm a pro at.
Because I have a belief that I can make and do anything. So let's do this and let's see what comes out of it.